Hey, what is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TECHDROIDS and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And today we take a look at the best $800 gaming PC build that you can build for the month of January 2017. So drop a like rating and get subscribed to the channel, and let's get started with this PC. So mind you, this PC features the latest and greatest 7th gen Kabylake CPUs and the 1060 from NVIDIA. So with that being said, drop a like rating, subscribe to the channel, and all the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. So let's get to the performance that this beast offers. So in terms of performance, from this PC you can expect 1080p to 1440p gaming in the modern AAA titles. So games such as Battlefield 1, GTA 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare or Advanced Warfare or Ghosts, any of those. And from the other games such as Witcher 3, Deus Ex Mankind Divided, and Assassin's Creed series. So all these games run at 1080p to 1440p from medium to max settings, with anti-aliasing cranked up a little bit as well. In terms of the older titles or the titles which are not that intensive on your PC, so games such as CSGO, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Dota 2, you can expect frame rates such as 100 to 200 on 4K, 1440p to 4K, in some cases well over max settings. So you can play Minecraft at the max settings in 4K with well over 100 FPS. So this is a beast from the performance numbers. So now let's get to the parts that make it all possible. The CPU, I went with the Intel Core i5-7500. It is a quad-core CPU that maintains compatibility with all the titles right now. It's clocked at 3.8 GHz, so a healthy clock speed. This is not overclockable. There are overclockable versions available for this CPU, but if you want to overclock the CPU, you need a beefier motherboard and a CPU cooler, which will raise up the budget a lot. So in this PC, we have not gone for that. It's a 7500 non-overclockable chip, so you get a fixed 3.8 GHz speed. It comes with Intel HD graphics 630 and it retails for about $200. So we have external GPU in this system, so we are not going to be using the Intel HD graphics. To house that CPU, I went to the ASUS Prime B250M-A motherboard. It supports DDR4, HDMI, and M.2, and a special feature for this motherboard is USB 3.1 Type-C. It costs about $85, and $85 is kind of steep for a motherboard, but nowadays for the 7th generation, so recently it's been launched, the 7th generation has been launched recently, so the motherboards and the CPUs are kind of steep in terms of the pricing. But this also comes with USB Type-C, HDMI, and M.2 for fast storage. So the motherboard, I think, justifies the price. So $85 for the motherboard. And for memory, I went with Crucial Ballistix 8GB of Sport LT RAM. So Crucial Ballistix Sport LT. 8GB is plenty enough for gaming, video editing, and productivity in 2017. This is clocked at 2400 MHz and retails for about $50. So this should do the job. This should do the job for memory. In terms of storage, I went with the 1TB hard drive from Western Digital. It is clocked at 7200 RPM. That is the fastest mainstream kind of hard drives go, and it comes with 1TB. That means it will keep you juiced up for most of the time with your games, Steam library, videos, movies, documents, whatever it is that you have to save. And this is not the fastest of drives. To accompany that, we have the Kingston SSDNOW V300. Now this is a 128GB SSD. So this is not the largest of storage, but this is a SSD, so it will increase the performance of your PC by a mile. So it will give you read speeds up to 200 Mbps and write speeds up to 150 Mbps. So this should do the job for fast gaming, fast productivity, and a really good video editing experience. So SSD is always worth it. This costs about $50 and will do the job for most of your work. To power the whole system, we have the EVGA 600 watt bronze certified, the 80 plus bronze certified. This costs $45, and this is a really quality power supply. So power supplies can basically, wrap up the whole system. If you have a low quality power supply, this can destroy the whole of your PC. It can destroy all your components. So having a good power supply from a reputed brand is really important. So the EVGA 600 watt is 80 plus bronze certified. That means it runs over 80% efficiency at all times. In terms of the graphics, I went with the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 WinForce edition. So this is an overclocked GPU and has a 6GB GDDR5 frame buffer, and it comes overclocked from the factory clock speed. So the factory clock speed is about 1582 megahertz, but this comes overclocked to 1797 megahertz. It supports HDMI, DisplayPort, and 2D dual-link DVI ports. So this graphic card is enabled for 1080p, 1440p, 4K, as well as some VR gaming, and this will do the job for video editing and some heavy 3D rendering in your PC. And that's it, the GPU will do the job. And to house everything in this PC, we have the Corsair SPEC-M2, which retails for $49. This is really good, minimal, good looking case, which comes with 2 LED fans inbuilt and has a clear side plate. Looks good and it stays in the budget. And this will wrap up this $800 gaming PC build for the month of January 2017. So that wraps up, guys, the $800 gaming PC build for the month of January 2017. This PC will perform really well in modern AAA titles, video editing, and some productivity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. In the comments below, ask any questions if you have about tech, non-tech, and if you have any other PC related queries, or if you want to suggest a PC build, then feel free to do so and I'll look into the matter. If it's important, the video will be made. And yeah, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, thanks a lot for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.